Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this absolutely beautiful rug that the branding team very kindly sent to me to try. The first thing I noticed when I unpacked it, I went, oh, it is so unbelievably soft. I've had these rugs before, you probably have as well, and they can be very hard wearing but also very rough on the feet. So if you've got kids or pets or you like to be barefoot quite often, they're not particularly nice, but this one is super soft, which I absolutely love. But it still has a very thin pile, which makes it really great for if you have got kids and pets running around the house, they're not going to trip over it. And this comes in 11 different colours and 7 different sizes, so you absolutely will find something that you like in this range. And it's a really nice vintage style. It just doesn't ever go out of fashion. It's absolutely lovely. It's very classic. One of the key benefits for me was the fact that it is machine washable, so if you do get a lot of foot traffic on it, if it does get a little bit mucky, you can just fold it up and pop it straight into the washing machine and it fits absolutely fantastically in there. This rug will look absolutely lovely in your living room, your bedroom, your dining space. And if you do have a high traffic area, it does have a non-slip back as well. So you are going to have that security, but it's not going to be moving around the floor all over the place as well. Overall, this rug has a really nice visual appeal. It's a very nice statement. It's very low maintenance and it's just a really nice quality. You can absolutely feel it. So thank you so much again to the branding team for sending this out to me. It's absolutely lovely. I really do appreciate it. It's going to look absolutely lovely in my living space. And yeah, beautiful rug, and I totally recommend it.